Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sharmistha's Creation. So as you can see that today I have created this beautiful gorgeous makeup look with a red and glittery blue eyes. So I hope that you guys will enjoy and love this makeup tutorial. Then please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon and like this video, share this video and also comment down below. So now start the makeup tutorial. So first I'm using a wipes from Mimi. Next I'm using an aloe vera gel. Now I am using this eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed and I will be taking a red shade or a maroon shade. Let's see. First I will apply this this red shade in my crease. Now I am taking this eyeshadow palette from Hilary Dota and I will be taking this deep maroon shade and I will be applying it to my outer corners of my eyes like here. Now let's apply. I am removing the excess eyeshadow color which have placed in the crease, means in the eyelid. So next I am using this blue color. Next I am using this light sky blue shade. Now I will be blending all my eyeshadow colors with. Now guess what with I will be blending? Yes, I will be blending with the earbuds. When you don't have extra eyeshadow brush, you can definitely use earbuds as your makeup brush. Next, I will be using this bright blue glitter from this palette. Next, I'm taking a wet wipes to clean all the fallouts. I am making small dots. After blending my foundation, I will be using a compact powder to set my base. Next I am using a kajal. No matter which kajal I used, but I always had this problem of teary eyes. You can see that my eyes have become too watery right now, like I gonna cry. Oh shit, waters will be coming. I need to find those. Oh shit. Whenever you have a teary problem of eyes, always carry your earbuds and use like this. And next I will be taking that same deep blue shade. Next I'm using an eyeliner. I've already applied my mascara with the help of this mascara from Neckline. Next, I will be doing my contour with the same eyeshadow palette and just finding, yes, this is. Yes, I will be applying this light pink shade for my blush. Next, I will be doing my highlighter with the Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter, taking the first and the second shade. I will be blending all my blush, contour, highlighter with this beauty blender. Now I will be highlighting my collarbones also. So now I will be applying the red lipstick. Guys, this is my full face makeup tutorial with you, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed my makeup tutorial and you can definitely create this makeup look in Durga Puja. So yeah, see you at my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, bye.